When you arrive at Duncan Aviation, whether for business or pleasure, as a passenger or pilot, providing you with the best experience is our #1 priority. We've anticipated your every need with unmatched world-class FBO services and amenities for general, business, commercial, and military aviation operators. While you are with us, we treat you like family, going above and beyond to provide clean and safe FBO facilities. Our teams are quick, efficient, and ready to serve with friendly and generous hospitality. Duncan Aviation's FBO services teams take great pride in being the first to greet you when you arrive and the last to send you on your way, making your experience at Duncan Aviation unlike any other.